The eastern white pine, Pinus strobus, and the Pinaceae, the tallest conifer in the northeastern United States. Also one of the oldest living trees in the northeastern United States, topping out at around 500 years old. Eastern white pine was historically one of our most important timber species in the Northeast, as the forests in the mid-1800s were cleared extensively for the fine timber of eastern white pine. It occurs on very dry sites throughout the Northeast as well as in our swamps. Like all conifers, or like all pines, it has needles in clusters, and eastern white pine has 5 needles in a cluster or fascicle. They're very soft blue-green when they're fresh, and then they drop off after a few years. So the tree has a beautiful texture, beautiful form. It makes an excellent landscaping tree, although it does have to have a fairly good area because it gets so large. The cones on all pines are also very distinct. This is a green cone, so they're not quite showing the color when they're mature, which will be very pinkish. It doesn't have any prickles anywhere on the cone, which is another important identification feature. The bark on eastern white pine is also quite distinct in that it has very thick ridges, which gives it great fire resistance in places that occasionally burned. And the furrows are quite deep. Eastern white pine, Pinus strobus, one of the most majestic trees in the northeastern United States.